Bernoulli principle. Physical principle formulated by Daniel Bernoulli that states that as the speed of a moving fluid increases, the pressure within the fluid decreases. Remember that the velocity and pressure is inversely proportional. The plane wings are the good example in using the application of Bernoulli principle. Concerning flight, Bernoulli principle has to do with the shape of an airplane wing. The bottom is flat, while the top is curved. Air travels across the top and bottom in the same time. Since the top of the wing is curved, the air must travel at a longer distance than the air at the bottom of the wings. Because the air at the top must travel longer but within the same time, like the air at the bottom, the air at the top travels faster. Following Bernoulli principle, air travels slower at the bottom, creating higher pressure, and faster at the top, creating less pressure. More pressure on top and less pressure at the bottom create lift. This supposedly gives the plane in the air. When the tap is open, the water has high velocity, so it creates a lower pressure than the surrounding pressure of the air. So this causes the higher pressure to push the ball into the region of lower pressure.
As you can see, when we blow toward the center between the papers, this creates a higher velocity than the other side of the paper. So there is a low pressure between the papers. This causes a push from the higher pressure to lower pressure that leads the paper to hit each other.
As you can see, the wind that's blown through between the cans is higher in velocity than the outer part of the can, so this causes a low pressure between the cans. This makes the cans to move to each other because the outer part of the cans has higher pressure, so it puts the cans inward to each other.